Dear students, today we will discuss equivalent mass of an element with respect to oxygen. Equivalent mass with respect to oxygen. Before going to the equivalent mass, first we have to know that number one is equivalent mass of acid is equal to molecular mass of acid by number of H plus ions, which is known as basicity. For example, equivalent mass of H2CO3 is equal to carbonic acid, molecular mass of carbonic acid is 2 plus carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 48 divided by number of H plus ions in carbonic acid is 2. So divided by 2, it is equal to 62. 62 by 2 is equal to 31. Equivalent mass of carbonic acid is 31. It is the molecular mass divided by basicity. Number 2 is equivalent mass of base is equal to molecular mass. It is equal to molecular mass divided by number of OH minus present in the base, that is known as acidity. For example, equivalent mass of KOH, it is equal to molecular mass of KOH, K is 39, atomic mass of potassium is 39, oxygen 16 plus H is equal to 1 divided by number of OH minus in KOH, caustic potash is 1. It is equal to 56 by 1 is equal to 56. Number 3 is equivalent mass of salt. Equivalent mass of salt is equal to molecular mass of salt. It is equal to molecular mass of salt divided by total positive charge. Total positive charge or number of metals into valency. For example, equivalent mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate is, molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate is, sodium is 23 plus hydrogen is 1 plus carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 48 divided by number of cations, number of positive charge is equal to only 1, that is Na plus. So it is divided by 1 and it is equal to 84. Equivalent mass of sodium bicarbonate is 84. Number 4 is equivalent mass of element. Equivalent mass of element is equal to atomic mass. It is equal to atomic mass by valency. Atomic mass by valency. For example, equivalent mass of aluminum is equal to atomic mass is 27, valence of aluminum is equal to 3, equivalent mass of aluminum is 9. Number 5 is equivalent mass of radical. Equivalent mass of radical is equal to radical mass divided by magnitude of charge. Magnitude of charge. For example, equivalent mass of sulfate ion SO2 minus, it is equal to, we have to find out the radical mass. Sulfur is 32 plus oxygen O4 is 64. Magnitude of charge is equal to 2. It is 2 minus magnitude is 2. So the equivalent mass of sulfate ion is, it is 96 by 2 is equal to 48. We can also calculate the radicals. We can test also. We can test the equivalent mass of sodium carbonate Na2CO3, we can calculate like this: equivalent mass of Na plus equivalent mass of CO3 2 minus equivalent mass of cation is equal to, it is 23 by 1 plus atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23, 1 positive charge, and carbonate is equal to, carbon is 12 plus 48, it is 60 by magnitude of charge is equal to 2. So the answer is, it is 23 plus 30, it is equal to 53. Equivalent mass of sodium carbonate is 53. These equivalent masses already we have discussed in the previous classes. Today we will discuss equivalent mass of element with respect to oxygen. Equivalent mass of an element, equivalent mass or weight of an element is defined as the number of parts, defined as the number of parts by an element, number of parts by an element which displaces or combines by 8 parts by mass of oxygen. We have to calculate the equivalent mass of an element with respect to oxygen. So we have to calculate first the equivalent mass of oxygen is equal to equivalent mass of oxygen is equal to atomic mass of oxygen. It is equal to atomic mass of oxygen by valence of oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Equivalent mass of oxygen is equal to 8. So equivalent mass of oxygen is equal to 8. That is also equal to 5600 ml of oxygen. That means the mass of the substance per 8 gram. Equivalent mass of oxygen is equal to 8. It is gram equivalent mass means 8 gram. That is also equivalent with 5600 ml. That means the mass of the substance displaced or combined with 8 gram of oxygen, or the mass of the substance displaced or combined by 5600 ml of oxygen will determine equivalent mass of the element. We will take the example. First example is, it is calcium plus oxygen, it gives calcium oxide. So it is 2 calcium oxide, it is 2 calcium. So atomic mass of calcium is equal to 40 is equal to 80 gram. Here also O is equal to 32 gram. That means 32 gram of oxygen. 32 gram of oxygen react with is equal to 80 gram of calcium. We have to find out 8 gram of oxygen. 8 gram of oxygen react with, it is equal to 80 by 32 into 8. It is equal to 20. It is equal to 20 gram. 20 gram means equivalent mass of calcium is equal to 20. That is also equal to atomic mass by valency. 40 by 2 is equal to 20. We can take another example. Example 2 is, we will take zinc oxide. It is zinc oxide. In zinc oxide, atomic mass of zinc is equal to 65 gram. Here oxygen is equal to 16 gram. 16 gram of oxygen, 65 gram of zinc. We have to calculate if it is 8 gram, what is the mass of the zinc. So mass of zinc is equal to it is 65. It is 65 by 16 into 8, that is equal to 32.5. Equivalent mass of zinc is equal to, it is equivalent mass of zinc. Equivalent mass of zinc is equal to 32.5 because 16 gram of oxygen combined with 65 gram of zinc, 8 gram of oxygen combined with dash mass of the zinc, that is equal to equivalent mass of zinc. From this conclusion we can calculate the two formulas. First formula is equivalent mass of an element is equal to mass of the metal. It is equal to mass of the element divided by mass of oxygen into 8. We have to calculate the mass of the substance for 8 gram of oxygen, and also another formula will be equivalent mass is equal to it is mass of the element, divided by volume of oxygen combined with or liberated into 5600. That means the mass of the element per 8 gram or the mass of the element per 5600 ml will determine the equivalent mass of an element. On the basis of this formula we will solve some numerical questions. Question number 1. Question number 1 is an oxide of a metal contain 52.9% of the metal. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. We have to calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Here an oxide of a metal contains 52.9% of the metal. Metal is 52.9%. So mass of the metal is equal to mass of the metal is equal to 52.9%. We can find out the mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen is equal to, because it is metal oxide of a metal means metal oxide. Total percentage 100 minus 52.9% is equal to 47.1%. It is 47.1%. We can calculate also equivalent mass of the metal. Of the element is equal to mass of the element by mass of oxygen. Mass of the metal by mass of oxygen, it is 52.9 divided by 47.1 into 8. It will give 8.9. Answer is 8.9. 8.9 is the equivalent mass of the metal. As it is, metal is given, oxygen is given, we can calculate the percentage of oxygen, percentage of metal. So equivalent mass of the metal is equal to mass of the metal by mass of oxygen into 8. Next question is question number 2. Come to question number 2. Question number 2 is calculate the equivalent mass of metal. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal whose oxide contains, here whose oxide contains 35.2% of the oxygen. We have to find out the equivalent mass of the metal. Here also we have to calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Data given is 35.2% of oxygen. So we can find out mass of the metal, the percentage of the metal. Mass of the metal is equal to 100 minus 35.2 is equal to, it is 64.8%, and mass of the oxygen is equal to, is given, mass of oxygen is equal to 35.2. So equivalent mass of the metal is equal to, we have to find out the equivalent mass of the metal with respect to oxygen. That is equal to mass of the metal 64.8 divided by 35.2 into 8, and the equivalent mass of the metal will be 14.72. It is equal to 14.72 is the equivalent mass of the metal. Next we will discuss question number 3. Question number 3. 0.635 gram of a metal forms an oxidation 0.795 gram of the oxide. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Here, this is the mass of the metal is given. Mass of the metal is given, and oxidation, it is mass of the metal oxide. So metal oxide is 0.795 gram. So we can calculate like this: mass of metal oxide is equal to 0.795 gram. It is mass of metal oxide, and also mass of metal is given. Mass of metal is equal to 0.635 gram, and we can find out mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen is equal to mass of metal oxide minus mass of metal. So 0.795 minus 0.635, it is equal to 0.16. It is equal to 0.16 gram. Then we can find out equivalent mass of the metal. Equivalent mass of the metal is equal to mass of the metal. It is equal to mass of the metal by mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen into 8, because equivalent mass of oxygen is 8. According to the definition, the mass of the element per 8 gram will signify equivalent mass of the metal. So it is equal to mass of the metal is 0.635. It is 0.635 divided by 0.16 into 8, and the equivalent mass of the metal is 31.75. It is equal to 31.75. This is the equivalent mass of the metal, 31.75. And we will discuss question number 4 when volume is given. Question number 4 is 0.54 gram of a metal gave 0.9 gram of metal oxide. Calculate the calculate the equivalent mass, calculate the equivalent mass of the metal, calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. We have to find out the equivalent mass of the metal. Dear students, equivalent mass of the metal, how to determine? Mass of the element per 8 gram. So here weight of metal is given, so mass of the metal, we can find out mass of the metal is equal to 0.54 gram, and mass of metal oxide is given, mass of metal oxide is given, mass of metal oxide when the metal undergoes oxidation is 0.9 gram. We have to find out mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen is equal to mass of metal oxide minus mass of metal 0.54. It is equal to 0.36 gram. Mass of oxygen is 0.36. Then we can find out equivalent mass of the metal is equal to mass of the metal. Mass of the metal is 0.54 divided by mass of oxygen 0.36 into 8 is equal to 12. So equivalent mass of the metal is equal to 12. So this is all the questions related with the mass of the substance per 8 gram of oxygen will signify equivalent mass. And question number 5 we will discuss the volume relationship. And the question number 5 is question number 5 0.5 gram of a metal combines with 130 milliliter of oxygen at NTP, normal temperature and pressure. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. We have to find out the equivalent mass of the metal. Here the mass of the metal is given, volume is given. So with respect to volume we have to calculate first mass of the metal. Mass of the metal is equal to 0.5 gram. Volume of oxygen is equal to 130 milliliter. Then we can find out equivalent mass of the metal with respect to volume of oxygen, that is equal to mass of the metal. Mass of the metal divided by volume of oxygen into 5600, that is equal to mass of the metal is given 0.5 gram. It is 0.5 divided by volume of oxygen is equal to 130 milliliter. Volume of oxygen in ml is given, it is 130. We have to multiply by 5600. So equivalent mass of the metal is 21.5. It is 21.5 is the equivalent mass of the metal. So when gram is given, we have to find out the mass of the element per 8 gram. When volume is given, we have to find out with respect to 5600 ml. This is all about the equivalent mass of the metal or element with respect to oxygen. On the basis of this, I will give 2 homeworks. Homework questions. Question number 6. .6 gram of an oxide of a metal react completely with hydrogen gas to yield 1.8 gram of water. The equivalent mass of the metal is dash. Options are multiple choice questions. Options are 35, option B 65, option C is 45, option D 55. The question is given as your homework. Another question is question number 7. 2.16 gram of an oxide of a metal on strong heating produces 112 ml of oxygen at STP, standard temperature and pressure, and the residue was pure metal. Equivalent mass of the metal is dash. Options are, it is also multiple choice. Options are 50, number B is 100, number C is 106, number D is 49. So 2 multiple choice questions are given to you as homework. Today we discussed equivalent mass of the element with respect to oxygen. As oxygen is considered, we have to remember that the mass of the substance, the mass of the element with 8 gram of oxygen, or the mass of the substance or the mass of the element with 5600 ml of O2 will determine the equivalent mass of the element with respect to oxygen. In the next class, we will discuss the equivalent mass of the metal or element with respect to hydrogen and with respect to chlorine. Thank you.